So next one, E, writing with the food. Chocolate letters. It is forbidden to attach molded chocolate letters to a cake, since the letters have no base and become embedded in a cake or frosting. Right, so they sell chocolate letters. Right, so it would be forbidden to attach them. So that's why all the kosher bakeries, if you like, even on a weekday, if you want a cake, they would put like they write on a chocolate board, so like a piece of a big chocolate board, like, and they would write there. Right, and this is no problem. So you can on Shabbos you can take out, you can eat this chocolate, you can do whatever you want. You cannot break this chocolate in pieces because you're going to break the writings, but you can bite it, I guess, or cut it with a knife, I guess, carefully between the letters. Okay. So again, it is forbidden to attach molded chocolate letters to a cake, since the letters have no base and become embedded in a case or frosting. Okay, so that would be writing. Next one, carving foods. It is forbidden to carve or mold any food item into meaningful shape. Right, so some people are very good in this carving this fruits and vegetables. I think it's art. Right, to do that, you have to have imagination, and right, it's very interesting. For example, one may not carve a piece of melon into a shape of flower or the piece of cake into a shape of letter. Right, so meaning all of these meaningful shapes, absolutely forbidden. Okay. Also, one may not mold tuna or egg salad into the shape of fish. Right, that they just mold it together, and there is like some serving dishes in a shape of fish, and then people. I saw it somewhere long time ago, but it looks very cute, right? They like tuna salad with the mayo, like it's very smooth. So they did exactly the shape of the fish with the scales, like beautiful. I mean, scales meaning with the drone scales. Very interesting. So this, of course, is going to be forbidden. Concerning cutting open food that was previously molded in a figure of cake that has the inscription on top, see page 48 to 50. It's far away ahead. So the question is, if you're allowed to, okay, there was like you have cake already and you have flour. Are you allowed to cut through the flour, because you're trying to give everybody like similar size pieces? And we say absolutely not. You cannot destroy. So you cannot write. I mean, we did not get to it, but just so you know the idea, you cannot write and you cannot destroy. So you cannot cut through the flour. You can cut like a flour, leave this flour in a cake and cut from two sides. There is no problem. But right, or letters. So that's very interesting. So in Jewish bakeries, nobody would do that. Right. So simple shapes. They do not represent anything unless they know for sure that it's not for Shabbos. Okay. So continue. Number 3, a whipped cream. And we have a question. I don't remember. I think in this class somebody said whipped cream. I think so. It is forbidden to write letters with the whipped cream, right? Some poskim completely forbid spraying the whipped cream out of the can, right? And just to remind us, we're learning actually in Shabbos kitchen about it, right? What is the prohibition? So about writing letters, okay, we understand. That's our topic. So you cannot write with the whipped cream. But another problem with the whipped cream is something that is called nolad, right? That you create something that was not in the world before. Meaning what? So inside of the can you have liquid, and when you take out, right? When you spray it, it's a solid. This cream is a solid, right? Liquid is something that is flowing, but this cream, even you put upside down, is going to stick, right? So it's solid. So that's a different prohibition.